Yo guys, what's up? This is EIZY and welcome back to my channel. This is a video about the comparison between the White Tiger by Eastern model kit here with the rest of the model kit we have here. The Fremam's Girl Architect. We also have the Megami Device Soul Hornet and a Shoe Toyotomi from the Tale of Shinto, and also all the faceplate here, whether it is fit to be wear by this White Tiger here. So first thing first, this is 1/12 scale, which is about the same scale as the Fremam's Girl, and this one is 1/1. This is also 1/, this is 1/10.5, a bit shorter, but yeah, they are about the same, just a few inch different. And we should start with the faceplate here. So take this one off, and this one, there you go. So the faceplate of this White Tiger, we have totally different pegs here. As you can see, there's a male and a female peg here. So let's compare it with the first one. This is the Shoe Toyotomi faceplate. Doesn't have enough, and it is much bigger. Nope, this is no. How about this one? Is the Megami Device Bullet Knight, and at the back here, nope, it's not fit. Next is this Megami Device Astra Archer, and nope. And this one we have the Megami Device Edelweiss. Nope. The Fremam's Girl Sylphie. I don't think so. Nope. And here we have, which place is this one? I can't remember from which kit, but yeah, oh, this is from the magical something. I forgot already. Yeah, it's from the witch. It's not fitted. And the next one is this. Well, this is the White Tiger one. I forgot about that. And we have this one is from Variable Fighter Girl, the Aoshima kit. I don't think so. And this one is from the Wolf. I don't. Yeah, it's not fit. So the result, you cannot use all the faceplate from the other plastic model kit. The Megami Device, the Fremam's Girl, and also all the third-party kits are out. So the only option you have here is get the blank faceplate provided with the kit. We have 3 of them. So all you need to do is you can just use these stickers and the water slide decals that you get from the Megami Device, the Fremam's Girl. That's the only option for this one. To use all the existing faceplate are useless. So this is the result. We put it back on again, and we try to see whether this head here can fit to the Fremam's Girl. Need to pull this out. I'm sorry. Oh, there you go. So we just need this joint here. See how? This fit. Nope, it's not. The ball joint here is much smaller. So how about, well, just wanted to show you guys. It fits. Yeah, it fits. Unbelievable. So that's no for Fremom's girl, but yes for Fremom's girl onto the white tiger. How about the Megami Device? This one off. Nope, it can't even fit. The ball joint here is so big, so it cannot fit. And the Megami Device loose because the ball joint is small. So no for Megami Device, and also no for the white tiger. How about the shoe Toyotomi? Oops. And yeah, we have the head here. So it tests. It fits. No, it's not. It's not because the ball joint here is so big. I need to put some for. Ah, there you go. So it fits. Not bad. Take this one off. And how about this head using this armor? It should be fit too. It loose. How? Why? It loose though. But actually, if she can fit using this neck joint, it would be awesome because she has a blue hair with the blue armor, but it doesn't fit. So that's the result. And next thing is between this white tiger and the Megami Device. So I know you guys are thinking about this one, this chest piece here. There you go. And also this chest piece of Megami Device here. Actually, they have the same male and female pegs, but can it fit? Nope, just a little bit. Nope, won't fit. It won't fit at all. How about this one? I don't think so. I don't think so. Yeah, it won't fit. And there's another. Ah, this one. Can she? Nope. Nope. Not gonna happen. So it's a no here. Okay, what else? Yeah, the handpiece, the armor part, it will be fit perfectly, you know, because nope, no. This back here are much bigger than this one. It won't fit unless you remove this part here. Will fit because this one has a very small melt pack. Yeah, there you go. That's enough of this. But for the arm, it will fit. yeah, the same. It's a bit loose. So they really did some modification for the main body part that they took from the Megami Device design. They redesigned everything. The upper part, the joint here are also different. The the upper part here are also different. You compare it with the Megami Device. The shoulder can move forward like this, but not with the White Tiger. There's no articulation here. And also the neck joint here are totally different. They redesigned everything from the Megami Device part. Same goes with the back here. They are both totally different design, but it is still from the Megami Device. And same goes with the frame arms girl. Yeah. And next is the modes. This is just for my recommendation. If you guys willing to mode this one, would be awesome. We have this gigantic arm for the White Tiger here, but if you guys look it closely, I have another set here. There's actually a claw here. See the white one? And if you take that one off, you get this part here, and also we get this claw here. This is just only for the suggestion. This arm here, if you can do a simple mode, or maybe you need to cut this one off, this to slide, or maybe just permanently glue it. Let's see. If I put it like this and put on the claw, it will become like this. It'll be nice, right? Will be an awesome looking armor with the huge claws. So this will be the tiger, the real tiger. Also, there's some modes here. This is not a mode, but an idea for you guys. So we have the arm here. If you guys want to pose it, you can make something like, you know, a drone or something with a claw like. You can just simply pose it like this and put the action base inside. Let's pose it like so. Will be awesome too. If you guys want it to look like a giant arm, just make it a giant arm. Just a simple idea from me. Yeah, that's all I want to show you guys. So we have the head, the faceplate, the arm. Oh yeah, I forgot about. Nope, not gonna happen unless you can use 3 mm runner. Can fit here. Can make male pegs for both. Should be fine. So yeah, that's all for my review today. The comparison, the White Tiger with the rest of plastic model kit. I will assemble them back together. So that's all for me today. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.